You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome along. Today we're exploring something genuinely fascinating at the heart of artificial intelligence. It's this incredible duality, AI pulling off these feats that feel like pure science fiction. And yet it can still really stumble on tasks that seem, well, frankly, pretty basic.
That's exactly it. Today, we're really looking into this fascinating split we're seeing. We've gathered some incredible examples based on the latest findings, showing not just where AI shines, but also where it surprisingly struggles. And most importantly, we want to unpack what that really means for how you can actually use these powerful tools effectively.
Okay, let's jump right into something that honestly just blew me away. OpenAI's latest unreleased model, it achieved a gold medal standard on the 2025 International Math Olympiad. Just think about that for a second. 35 out of 42 points. Solving 5 out of 6 incredibly complex problems. This isn't just number crunching. It feels like a monumental step in AI's ability to reason through really tough math challenges.
Yeah, a huge step. But what's so fascinating is the immediate contrast we saw right after. Just recently, there was this intense 10-hour programming contest, the @Coder World Tour Finals. And a human programmer, Saiho, actually narrowly beat an advanced OpenAI model, pulled ahead just slightly 1.8 trillion points to the AI's 1.65 trillion. Even Sam Altman praised the human competitiveness there.
Wow.
So it really sets up this core question for you listening. What do we actually mean by intelligence when we talk about AI right now? Is it just raw problem-solving power, or is it something, more nuanced?
That question about true intelligence really sets the stage perfectly for the flip side of the coin. Because despite those incredible wins, AI hit some surprisingly basic hurdles. Like imagine giving a top-tier large language model the job of closing the books for a SaaS company. Real financial data. Initially, okay, it seems fine, but then it quickly starts making catastrophic errors. We're talking fabricating transactions, pulling in completely unrelated entries. It's almost as if it's trying to force a reconciliation without understanding the actual context.
Yeah, just making the numbers fit somehow.
Exactly. And that can lead to massive misstatements, like up to $500,000. And some models, like OpenAI's internal O3 and Google's Gemini, apparently just gave up. They couldn't do it. It's almost like the AI is just trying to pass the test by making stuff up, isn't it?
It really is, and that raises this crucial point about what we're calling AI reasoning. These tools like MCP servers designed to help AI process complex data. They're useful, sure, but they really function more like, let's say, sophisticated hypothesis generators. Think of them as super fast brainstorming partners, maybe, not truly automated problem solvers.
So they can suggest things, but not really solve things.
Precisely, the unknown, that genuinely new problem needing real insight that's still firmly human territory. The engineer's job. AI can brainstorm, absolutely, but it can't yet truly reason in the way we mean it.
And, just to underline that point, our own experience building systems like Manus, it's a platform designed for automating complex stuff, right?
Yeah.
It consistently showed us that just raw model capability, it's not enough, not even close. For AI agents to actually work reliably, recover from mistakes, scale up in the real world, you absolutely need solid memory, awareness of their environment, and crucially, feedback loops. So for anyone listening who works with AI, understanding why it fails is just as vital as cheering its successes, especially for critical stuff like finance.
Yes, definitely. And connecting this to the bigger picture, it's so important to resist seeing AI capability as just one single thing. We need to be really wary of those apples-to-apples comparisons if there isn't, a proper controlled test method behind them.
Okay, so what's the practical takeaway here for you, the listener? How should you approach AI?
Well, it means understanding these differences is really key to using AI tools well in your own life. Absolutely use AI's strengths, generating initial ideas, brainstorming solutions, even like we're seeing with the new ChatGPT o3 Alpha, quickly mocking up web pages or simple games. That's powerful stuff. But you also have to recognize its very real current limits, especially in complex, nuanced reasoning or anywhere that needs genuine accountability.
Exactly. Look, AI is advancing incredibly fast.
Yeah.
It's doing things we thought were impossible just a short time ago, but it's clearly not a magic bullet, is it? Its progress has these specific, sometimes quite surprising gaps where human judgment, human oversight, they're still completely essential.
So powerful tools, but use with caution and understanding. Right. And maybe here's a final thought to leave you with. How will this ongoing dance, this interaction between AI's amazing pattern recognition and our unique human ability for critical reasoning, how will that redefine problem solving in the next few years? And maybe more interestingly, what new unknowns will that collaboration uncover?
Spoken Tech for your ears.